Alright, family. So, I'm here again for y'all's the next day. I was going to not finish, because there's mad story times for all of that. But I kind of want to be a little upper moodish. So, we're going to watch some funny ass dogs. How about that? So, get your snacks, get your sodas, get whatever it is you need. But hopefully y'all laugh. Okay? That's my goal. I want to laugh too. So, let's get it.
Come here. Did you do this? Ronan, come here, honey. Come here, Angel. Come here, baby. Come here. Ronan. Ronan, come here, honey. Come here. Come see mommy. Ronan. Ronan, come here. Come here, Ronan. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Did you do this? Ronan. Ronan. Come here, Ronan. Ronan, come here, buddy. Come here. Well, come here.
This dog is not having it, yo. Like, he's legit not going towards his mom at all. He's like, nah, I ain't in trouble. Like, I'm outie.
Argo? Did you do this? Did you do this? Argo? Don't hide. Did you do this? Bad boy. Bad boy. No.
Comment down below and tell me if y'all got little dogs. That little ass dog did all of that. Like, all that fluff is all over the floor. That little... You ever have a dog do that?
Nope. Should it be a dead dog?
Y'all, please comment down below and tell me if your dog ever did this. A small one. Because that's unimaginable for me. He's so cute, though.
1 Poptart, 2 Poptart, 3 Poptart. He was going for a 4th. You can see his little teeth marks. I wonder who did it.
The Pop-Tart. Hey, I'm gonna call him the Pop-Tart dog. Yo, I want y'all to comment down below and tell me if y'all dog ever did that before. We absolutely had a dog that would always get in this stuff. Like, always. But they was never, like, nervous or nothing. They never acted guilty. I don't understand. I think it's cute.
Miko? Miko? Miko! Miko? Miko? Why did you do that, Miko? Miko? No better than that. Come on, Miko.
Somebody tell me how Nico did all of that. That little dog. How did he get in the trash? I seriously need some comments down below. Somebody tell me how. But wasn't he so cute, though? I just thought about something, y'all. My oldest son, when he's like 1.5, 2, that boy used to do stuff like this. Like, legit. He was making us breakfast this one morning. It was 3 o'clock in the morning. We get up and there's coffee creamer. There's milk poured into this real big bowl. What else did he have? He had eggs inside of
Ground meat.
Yep, inside of ground meat, coffee, grounds everywhere. Like, it was a mess. I was cleaning for hours. Do y'all know how hard it is to clean up coffee creamer? Like the powder kind, not the... It was difficult. He opened a pack of ground meat. He put eggs inside of mayonnaise. Like, it was a mess. That's what this dog just reminded me of.
Tengo, Apple. Can you guys explain what all of this is? Do you know what this is? This is... Really, is that your response? Okay. This is from a bag of ash that I shoveled out of the fireplace.
How? I swear to you, dogs are humans. Like, it's the strangest thing ever. And then they heard her coming, so they gonna go run into the door all excited. Like, look what we did type ordeal. Yeah, that is so funny.
What did you do to this tissue? Tell me. What did you do? What did you do? What? Did you chew this up? What did you do? Tell Mama what you did, Maple. Fess up. Did you do this? Did you do this? Maple? Maple.
Maple was explaining herself, okay? Don't get it twisted, y'all. She was letting it be known. Look, I wanted it, okay?
Who took the cookie off the counter? Harley, maybe you didn't hear me. Maybe you didn't understand how difficult this question is and how difficult it is to turn in your sister. So I'm going to ask you again, Harley, because I know that this is one of the most difficult things you've ever done. I ask you again, guys. Who stole the cookie off the counter? Loa, do you have anything to say? Speak up for yourself.
You look so guilty. Yo, comment down below and tell me if you believe the dog. Because the one that he put his paw on looks so guilty. It's like, tell me what y'all believe.
Someone went through the trash can. Who went through the trash can? Motzi? You pushing yourself away? Where are you going? Come here. Come here.
I'm invisible. I'm invisible. That's what the dog looked like.
Oh my god. Who did that? Who did that? Spike? Who did it? Who did it? Did you make that mess? Spike, that's very bold. Go to bed. Go on out. Why did you do that? Did you do it, Spike? You're very bold. Spike, you're bold. Did you do it? Bold. Go to bed.
Spike really believe he ain't do nothing. Still got the damn cotton hanging out of.
Oh, Heidi, guys are so bad. Look at this. You want to see what they did? Okay. I walk in, first thing I see, poop. And then I say, oh, what are these chunks of it? Oh, okay. Now I see what it is. Unbelievable.
Number 1, Ozzy and Luna are really cute. Number 2, how in the hell are these little dogs getting into the trash? Number 3, did they say the dog's name on that one?
No.
Oh yeah, the other dog literally tiptoed away. And then the last 2, the poop on the floor though. You can house train dogs and they still do shit like this sometimes. Like, why? Someone, please tell me why. And let me know if any of y'all dogs ever do this.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Hey, Rambo. What's going on here?
The very last 2 though, didn't even give a damn that they dad was standing right there. Like, the balls, okay? Anyway, hopefully y'all got a couple laughs out of this. I don't know. I'm trying to at least brighten your day up a little bit. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I drop a new video. And yes, I mean every time. Thank you guys for watching. Deuces.